Hello and welcome to your evening practice. My name is Keegan, the Balanced Nomad, and today I'll be taking you through this short yin sequence that will help you relax and prepare your body for rest. We're going to be holding each pose for 2 minutes. All of the postures will be super close to the ground, no props are required. We're going to start in a half butterfly position. So just straightening the legs, moving any extra flesh out of the way just so seat bones are super grounded, and bending into that left leg, creating this half butterfly shape. Inhaling, arms up, and exhaling, we fold, really emphasizing this fold from the hips and just grabbing onto whatever is available, maybe shin, ankle, big toes, or bottom of the foot. So just choosing your option. And we're here for 2 minutes. And walking ourselves up with the hands. And just finding half butterfly on the opposite side. So straightening through that left leg, bending into the right. Once again, inhaling, arms up, and exhaling, folding forward, just grabbing onto whatever is available to you. And dropping head down. And walking ourselves out of this posture with our hands, just moving super slowly here. And we're going to move to child's pose from here. So, optional to take extended child's pose or child's pose with knees together. Just whatever version you prefer. I'm just going to take extended child's pose here. And from our child's pose, just moving ourselves softly forward, coming to Sphinx pose from here. So bringing elbows underneath the shoulders. Gaze can just go straight ahead of us or maybe slightly upwards. Just finding a tiny back bend here. Making sure we're not feeling any pinching in the lower back. Pressing in to the pelvis and the tops of the feet. And releasing ourselves down, just turning onto our backs here. Finding banana pose from here, just bringing our hips over to the left side of the mat and bringing our upper body and legs over to the right side. Optional to cross that left ankle over top the right and grab a hold of the right wrist with the left hand. We're going to move to the opposite side from here. Just slowly moving ourselves back to center. And we can bring the hips over to the right side, this time bringing the upper body and legs over to the left. Optional to bring that right ankle over the left and grab a hold of the left wrist with the right hand. And we can come back to center here. Moving to Shavasana. Feel free to take any other last bits of movement if your body's asking for it, or just coming straight into final rest. Spreading yourself out, taking up lots of space here. Letting go of the day you've had. Letting go of everything you need to get done tomorrow. You simply need to focus on this moment. Letting go of the rest. And I'll call you back when it's time to reawaken. Coming back to the breath if the mind has wandered. Finding 3 deep breaths here. Reawakening into the body. And we can find some subtle movements, moving fingers, toes, stretching arms overhead, feeling a full body stretch, and turning onto the right side,
finding a fetal posture for a breath or two. And coming to seated to close out our practice. I'm going to chant Om one time. Feel free to join me here. Inhaling to chant Om. And bringing hands to forehead, bowing forward. Namaste. Thank you so much for making time for yourself this evening. And if you enjoyed this class, be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know if you want more classes like this. And I hope to practice with you again soon.